Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello and welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. Obviously, I am Pallavi. I'll be teaching you Spanish language in a loco way, fun way, because Español es muy loco. Y buenas tardes, good evening. So in the last video, you have learned about the stem changing verbs, okay? But only first type of stem changing verbs, okay? Now we are going to learn the second type of stem changing verbs, which will be O changes to UE. Okay, so in the first type we were doing E changes to IE. Okay, like in sentir verb, which means to feel, we were doing for first person siento. E changes to IE. In this type we are going to take O changes to UE. So like we were doing in type 1, we are going to do the same. We will take 3 examples of AR ending verb, ER ending verb and IR ending verb. Okay, as there are 3 types of verbs in Spanish, AR, IR and ER, and we are learning irregular verbs, which is the type stem changing verbs. Okay, and type second we are going to learn, which will be O changes to UE. So let's get started. We are going to take an example. First we are going to take an example for AR ending verb, then ER, then IR. Okay, so we are going to take an example almorzar, which means to eat lunch or to have lunch. This is the part of stem changing verb type 2. Okay, almorzar. So we are going to change O changes to UE. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to learn the conjugation and how to form the conjugations. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see here, these are the conjugations for almorzar verb, which means to eat lunch or to have lunch. Okay, this is the part of type 2, O changes to UE, stem changing verbs we are learning. Okay, so these are the singular forms, these all are the plural forms. We have learned like these are the exceptions. Okay, in this type also these are the exceptions. We are not going to change this to this in first and second person plural form. Okay, so let's get started. Almorzar, to eat lunch or to have lunch. Okay, O changes to UE. First person will be yo almuerzo a las 3. Okay, I have lunch or I eat lunch around 3. Okay, almuerzas. You have lunch. Almuerzas, tú almuerzas a las 3. Okay, you have lunch around 3 p.m. Okay, almuerza. He or she almuerza a las 3. These are the exceptions. Okay, almorzamos, we are not going to change O to UE. Okay, almorzamos, we all. Okay, almorzamos, you all, almorzáis. In this also we are not going to change. Okay, the same we are going to do almuerzas, third person plural form. Okay, so these two are the exceptions. So almorzar, which means to eat lunch or to have lunch, this is the part of O changes to UE, and this is the type 2 of stem changing verbs. So let's get to the part ER ending verb. So as you can see here, this is the ER ending verb volver, which means to come back. Okay, yo vuelvo a mi casa. Yo vuelvo a mi casa. I come back to my house. Okay, return, or you can say to come back. Okay, volver, which is an ER ending verb, which is the part of this type in stem changing verbs. Okay, first part you have already done, and this is the second type we are learning of stem changing verbs. So yeah, yo vuelvo a mi casa or a la casa, to the house. I return or I come back to my house. Okay, vuelves, vuelves. We are changing this to this. As you can see here, volver, vuelvo, vuelves. Tú vuelves a la casa. Third person, he or she, or usted. Ella, usted vuelve a la casa. He or she returns or come back to the house. Volvemos or volvéis. As I said before also, these are the exceptions. First person and second person plural form. These all are the singular ones. These all are the plural ones. Okay, volvemos, volvéis, and same we are going to change this to this. Vuelven, they, third person plural. Okay, so this is how we form the conjugations for ER ending verb, and let's get to the IR ending verb part. Okay, so as you can see here, this is an IR ending verb, dormir, which means to sleep, okay? Dormir is the part of stem changing verb for type 2. O changes to UE. So in this also we are going to change O to UE. Yo duermo en mi dormitorio. Yo duermo en mi dormitorio. I sleep in my bedroom, okay? Tú duermes en tu dormitorio, okay? You sleep in your bedroom. He or she duerme, okay? Ella usted duerme a su dormitorio, in their bedroom. So these are the exceptions. You can see dormimos, dormis. We are not going to change O to UE. We are going, because these are the regular forms, okay? These are not the irregular ones. These all are the singular and these all are the plural. We are not going to change this first person and second person plural form, okay? Dormimos, dormis, duermen. These two are the exception mostly, in mostly cases, okay? So yo duermo, tú duerme, ella usted duerme, dormimos, dormis, duermen, okay? So in all these examples that we have done today, we are changing O to UE. Also, I'm going to put so many verbs, a list of the verbs in the description part. You can go there and you can check out the verbs, okay? And you can conjugate the verbs on your own, right? So we have done almorzar, dormir and volver, okay? These all are the type AR, IR and ER ending verb of stem changing verbs of the second type. O changes to UE. And also I'm going to put so many verbs in the description part. You can conjugate on your own those verbs. You can try and you can practice, okay? So stay tuned with my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I am Pallavi. I'll be teaching you Spanish language in a local way, and there are so many videos that are going to come, and there are so many videos that I'm going to upload soon, okay? There will be so many vlogs also, there will be so many this type of videos also, and so many vocabulary and so many grammar topics and pronouns and articles and so on, okay? There are so much to come. So stay tuned with my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. Hasta pronto. Adios.